Hey there, fifth graders. Happy Friday. Are you excited for the weekend? Are you? I am. But before we can go enjoy our weekend, we've got to do some math. So today I have a performance task for you. Get ready. This one's exciting. So after you get the problem, scan the QR code and then go show me how you got your answer. Then come back here and I will share with you one way that you can do it. Let's get started. Here is your task. Mrs. Warren's fifth grade class is making sugar cookies for the school bake sale. They need 6 cups of flour to make enough cookies. Mrs. Warren doesn't have any 1-cup measuring cups, but she has the following measuring cups: 2/3 cup, 1/2 cup, 3/4 cup, and 1/4 cup. The students discussed the different ways to make 6 cups using the available measuring cups. Jaquan says we can use the 1/2 cup 12 times. Nevaeh says we can use the 2/3 cup 9 times. Jennifer says we can use the 1/4 cup 12 times. And Stephen says we can use the 3/4 cup 8 times. Who's right? Let's find out. Go ahead, answer the question, and then come back here so I can share with you my answer. Pause the video here, go over to your learning path, and answer the question. Don't forget to scan the QR code so that you can share your response on Flipgrid. Then come back here for one possible solution. What did you think about that problem? Was it easy? Was it difficult? How'd you feel? Well, let's see. We are going to start with Jaquan, who said that we can use 1/2 cup 12 times. Well, 1/2 cup 12 times is equal to 1/2 plus 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 1/2. That is 1/2 12 times. What strategy did I use? Exactly. Repeated addition. When I add my 1/2 12 times, I end up with 12 halves, which is equal to 6. Looks like Jaquan was correct. All right, let's keep going. Who's next? It was Nevaeh. And Nevaeh said she could use 2/3 cup 9 times. I'm going to use repeated addition again to solve this one. So let's see. 2/3 plus 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 another 2/3 and one more 2/3 gives me 18 thirds. 18 thirds then is equal to 6. So Nevaeh, she was correct. Let's move on to Jennifer. Jennifer said that we could use 1/4 cup 12 times. That's going to be 1/4 added 12 times, because remember, I'm using repeated addition. When I finish adding up all of my 1/4 cups, I get 12/4, which I know is equal to 3. Oops, Jennifer wasn't quite correct. If you looked at Jaquan's answer, you see that he said that it was 1/2 cup 12 times. Well, I can't add 1/2 cup 12 times and get 6 and add 1/4 cup 12 times and get 6. So that was another way you could have looked at this problem. And finally, let's look at Stephen. Stephen says we could use 3/4 cup 8 times. So again, because I'm using repeated addition, I am going to add 3/4 cup 8 times. And when I add that 8 times, I get to 24/4, which is equal to 6. So Stephen is correct. Did you get all those? Did you? Now, which one do you agree with? Do you agree with Jaquan? Do you agree with Nevaeh? Or do you agree with Stephen? Make sure you let me know in the Flipgrid, okay? Oh my goodness, 5th graders, that was so fun. I enjoyed that. Did you? Well, that is it for this week. You all have done an amazing job at multiplying fractions by a whole number all week long. Now it is time to go enjoy your weekend. Bye. See you next week.